The simmering power struggle between President Emmerson Mnangagwa and his deputy Constantino Chiwenga have now spilled into open confrontation, with their feud escalating dramatically ahead of the ZVAITWA 22nd Annual People's Conference in Mutare. What began as whispers of factional maneuvers has turned into an ugly public fight, shaking the ruling party's top ranks and exposing the fragile balance of power within the leadership. Sadabina mashoko buda pangwa ino chinkonzi Chiwenga Mnangagwa fight gets ugly. Not subscribe or like on the bell icon. The latest flashpoint came at Monday's police and coordinating meeting chaired by newly appointed Secretary General Jacob Mudenda, while the party issued a bland statement that only spoke of internal administrative issues and preparations for the conference. Insiders dismissed the communique as camouflage for the calculated attempt by Mnangagwa to sideline Chiwenga. Everyone knows Mudenda is a pawn. He has no power of his own, said one official aligned to the military faction. This is about clipping Chiwenga's wings before Mutare, but they can't erase his influence. Mudenda, who replaced Obed Mbofu, is widely regarded as a weak link imposed to rubber stamp Mnangagwa's agenda. Chiwenga's loyalists argue that the Secretary General's office has been reduced to a weapon in the succession struggle, with Mnangagwa popping up figures like Mudenda and the so-called Gananda, wealthy businessmen accused of bankrolling the president. The tensions boiled over in a dramatic fashion last week when Mnangagwa and Chiwenga clashed at the State House, an altercation that nearly turned physical. For a military man like Chiwenga, openly confronting his commander-in-chief was no minor act. It was a calculated political strike. At the heart of the dispute lies a dossier Chiwenga presented accusing Mnangagwa's allies, including Kudakwacheta Gray, Wikino Chivayo, Pesai Scott Sakupanya, and Elish Ngwaya, of industrial-scale looting. His warning was blunt. When Chivayo gives you $10 million, he has already taken $90 million. The attack was not just on corruption, but on the financial networks that sustained Mnangagwa's hold on power. The symbolism of the showdown is stark. For the first time since they ousted Robert Mugabe in 2017, Mnangagwa and Chiwenga are no longer allies but adversaries. The stakes are existential, not only for the two men, but for ZANU-PF itself. As one political insider put it, it feels like 2017 all over again. Only this time, the generals are turning against each other. All eyes now turn to Mutare. If last week Sydney Browell was the dress rehearsal, October's conference could be the stage for the main act in Mnangagwa and Chiwenga's increasingly ugly fight for supremacy. Ndo mashoko aripo pangwa ine nyazi kuno kwakunza aiwa machechens aripo pangwa ine akutovhundutsa akutotyisa vamwe vototi 2017 yawodzoka. Ndangomese kuchembedudza mafunguro enyu mutikubi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.